The Northwest bowling team is looking forward to striking out the season this year.
The best part about bowling is probably just the van rides after, so I get to sleep. I wanted to start bowling because my brother was bowling, so it made me have an interest in it.
The best part about bowling is being able to go out and do something that you enjoy to do. Bowled a little when I was younger and decided to get more into it.
The highest game I've ever bowled is a 238.
Bowled a 299. I bowl every day to get practice in.
I have been bowling for about 5 or 6 years.
I've been bowling competitively since about 8th grade, so about 5 years. I'm most excited for districts to hopefully qualify for state and actually go farther this year.
The tournament I'm most excited for is state, as long as we make it there. My goals for the season is to make state as a team and hopefully as singles too.
Obviously to win state, but also to qualify for individual state.
Practice for us looks like going into no steps and then a few one steps, and then we go to full approach, and then we normally just bowl some games and some Baker games.
Tournaments, we bowl 3 individual games. The person across from you have to beat to get a point. There's also points for the highest series combined, and then it goes to Baker style where everyone shoots 2 frames in the game.
Good luck to the bowling team on the rest of their season this year.